Okay, guys, so we're in a new game. We literally just found, well, blue. And, hey, do a jump. Do a jump.
Woo!
Yeah. Okay, so, yeah, it's called Fun Monkey Horror. And you have hands.
Great.
You can turn on your helmet
Yeah, see.
like that.
Hey, we had a priceless moment a while ago.
Yeah, we got Ooga Booga by, a monster. You'll see it here in a second.
Should we do that map again, even though we're like 100% terrified of it?
Sure. Should we? Should we? Should we? I don't feel safe now. Wait. What's that? What's that? Oh, it does have cosmetics.
It does have a shop. I want it.
How many does it need?
I don't even know how much we have.
You can see. Oh, why is it apples?
Why is it not bananas? Wake up!
Hey, you know what I have to say about this guy? You know what I
My
have to say
name
about
is
this guy?
Bob. His name's Bob.
You know what I have to say about this guy? You know what I have to say about this guy?
Okay, let's go to the sewers again. I still want to know how much stuff I have.
Me too.
Can you hear me? Like through that chat?
Oh, why does it cost money?
What is this?
Oh, that's Spider Monkey. Let's figure pay no badge.
To first make video on YouTube or TikTok, you will need at least make video about Fun Monkey Horror every 2 to 5 days, and you need at least 10k views and put hashtag Fun Monkey Horror paint. This will soon be art.
Should we do it? Hey, we'll get this.
Sure.
I mean, we already have 10,000 views.
I think we need 10,000 views.
Oh, on a video? Okay, we're gonna get that.
100%.
Chat, if you think we're gonna get it, then leave a like and subscribe.
Yeah. I'll do it this way.
Ooh, what's this? Wait, what?
It's glass. Just touch the glass. It's squishy. Whoa.
No,
I want to do sewer now so we can be terrified.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I want to go this way. Oh, I saw Dora.
Oh.
See, I don't feel safe.
Let's see. Me neither.
Alright. Alright.